Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Sittarpeedam Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now, how to control mind? Many persons are asking doubts about mind. How to control? According to Tirumandram, there are two techniques to control, to stabilize the mind. The one is you have to take the energy to Ajna Chakra, and if you stabilize it there, stabilize the 10 Vayus in Ajna, then mind will stop and stabilize. Actually, the Ajna Chakra is the junction box of 10 Yoga Nadis through which 10 Vayus flow into it. In all other parts of your body, any one of the Nadi will be there, or 2 or 3 Nadis may meet together, but it is the only place, Ajna is the only place where all the 10 Yoga Nadis meet. So it is a junction box. Through each Nadi, any one of the Vayus, Dasa Vayus, will flow into it. So if you do Ajna meditation, then the Dasa Vayus, major 10 Vayus, in Siddha records there are 15 Vayus also. All these Vayus will be stabilized in Ajna. Then your mind will stay stable just like a lamp where there is no disturbance by wind. This idea is explained in hymn 714. நிலைபெற நின்றது நேர்தரு வாயு சிலைபெற நின்றது தீபமும் ஒத்து களைவழி நின்ற கலைப்பை அறியில் அலைவு அரவு ஆகும் வழி இது ஆகும். When the 10 Vayus are stabilized in Ajna, then the mind will be very stable and static, just like a statue or a lamp which is stable. So, this Ajna meditation is not easy. Just mere concentrating on Ajna by any mudras, Kesari Mudra, Sambhavi Mudra, will give only some result. Before that, there are Dasa Nadi opening techniques are there. One has to open up the nadis and make the subtle energy flow very vibrant in it. All the blocks in each nadi should be removed. And for that there is a special exercise of the nadi opening technique. There are mantras, mudras, devadas, and colors also to be involved in the meditation to open up each nadi. At least 10 nadis should be opened for concentrating and making the Ajna meditation success. Then only the Ajna meditation will be fruitful. But many persons are not aware of these opening techniques. Ajna is the only place where all the yoga nadis meet. Moreover, the energy flowing through the yoga nadis, the nadis are only pipelines, astral pipelines. The energy that flows inside is actually the 10 Vayus. The 10 Vayus are not gases. They are energy segments. They are part of that Mahaprana or Shiva. When that Mahaprana is in your body, it becomes finite and it is called individual prana. The individual one and the same individual prana is subdivided into 10 vayus, energy segments. And you have to send the energy, activate it. For that also there is a separate exercise. How to activate these dasa vayus? Normally people know only of dasa vayus, but in Siddha there are 5 more vayus. Mukhiyan, Vairavan, Antaryami, Pravanchana and Kandarpan. These are the extra 5 vayus available in Agama records. There are separate techniques to cleanse, stabilize and expand each vayu. And after doing that only, this energy will enter into the nadi channels and all the energies can make a confluence in your Ajna Chakra. So taking energy in the Ajna Chakra by mere concentration is not possible. Before that you have to open up the nadi channels, activate the 15 vayus, then only the vayus will enter into the nadi channels and they will make a meeting in the Ajna Chakra. In that process only you can stop mind, you can stabilize mind, you can avoid the vagaries of mind, you can avoid a split mind. When the mind is steady, then only whatever you think will be carried out, materialized. எண்ணிய எண்ணியாங்கு எய்துவர் எண்ணியர் திண்ணியர் ஆகப்பெறின். If one is able to think in the line of bold thinking, then whatever he thinks will be carried out into action. That will be materialized. Dreams become true. So for this one has to concentrate, stabilize mind. That is possible by doing this Ajna meditation, which is very very subtle, not a easy thing. Before the Ajna meditation, these dasavayus and the nadis channels should be opened. Then only it will come handy. This is one technique. Another technique is to do Mooladhara meditation. By taking energy to Mooladhara, there are 4 petals. If you take the energy and keep it there and meditate, then also mind will stabilize. Because the 4 petals present in Mooladhara are Siddham, Buddhi, Manam and Ahankara. Out of the 4 elements, Buddhi stands for intellect and other 3 actually refer to mind. Siddham, Buddhi, Manam, Ahankara. Ahankara is the ego part of mind. The capacity to act, the promptness to act is Ahankara. Ahankara is not mere vanity. It is also vanity. In addition to this is a source for initiative and drive. Only a person having Ahankara will have initiative and drive for any matter, positive or negative. So Ahankara is also part of mind. Mind, the way Manas is a portion of mind which sends energy out towards the material world. And Siddham is a place where it collects the mind going out and preserving it. Withdrawal. The withdrawal of mind is possible by placing your energy on Siddham. If you concentrate on Siddham, then mind energy going out will be pulled back and stabilized. So Mooladhara meditation will also help one to stabilize mind. This is a practical portion of how to control minds. There are many persons and scientists and psychiatrists speaking about mind. That will confuse your mind more. So, in hymn 718 also he says, கிடந்தது தானே கிளர்பயன் மூன்றும் நடந்தது தானே உள்நாடி உள்நோக்கி படர்ந்தது தானே அப்பங்கயம் ஆக தொடர்ந்து தானே அச்சோதியில் நின்றே. If you meditate a lamp, steady lamp in Mooladhara Chakra, the center of the 4 petals, then also the energy, divided energy. In Mooladhara, the energy is divided into 4. Siddha, Buddhi, Mana, Ahankara. And when all these 4 merge together due to meditation, meditation is just converging the mind. And when you converge total up, converge means total up, sum up. When you tie up all these into one bundle, one unit, Siddha, Buddhi, Mana, Ahankara, by exercise, there are practical exercise, color of the petals, letters in the petals, mantras and mudras separately, that will stabilize and make your mind steady. There is a practical training. This is also part of this pratyahara. Pratyahara, this is the main part, and also Indriya Pratyahara is also there. By this Pratyahara of this Andakarana Pratyahara, you can control mind through Andakarana Pratyahara, that is meditation on the Mooladhara. Siddha, Buddhi and Mana are Ahankara are the 4 instruments, internal instruments. By doing this Andakarana Pratyahara and Ajna meditation, proper meditation after cleansing, opening of the Dasavayus and Nadis, as well as controlling the Andakaranas by using mantras, mudras, and the color visualization will help you to control mind. I have given this exercise to so many persons of different lines, different business, different communities, and they work faster. Those who are in need, contact me. Thank you.